Today on Hands on Wellness, we're going to chop out your workout routine. I have a nice little tool that I'd like to share with you. Check it out. Hands on Wellness is brought to you from LastPass Studios. Using the same password everywhere is a security nightmare waiting to happen. LastPass easily creates unique passwords for every site. Visit lastpass.com/twit.
This is TWiT.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Ant Pruitt, and this is Hands on Wellness here on TWiT TV. I hope y'all are doing well. I am unbelievable as always. This is the podcast where I like to sit down and share different consumer technology products that are going to help you get a better grip on your personal wellness. Folks, we have so many different devices available to us pretty easily nowadays. Why not use that tech to help us get a better grip on our personal wellness, whether it's a smartwatch or a pedometer or heck, whatever, even what I'm going to talk about today, just a little piece of fitness equipment. It's going to be fun. Why not just take the time, especially right now, since a lot of gyms are closed, get a grip on our personal wellness with all of this wonderful consumer tech. If this is your first time joining the show, welcome to you. I really would appreciate it if you hit subscribe in the podcast app that you're enjoying us on right at this moment, whether it's Apple Podcasts or Spotify or Google or Anchor or all those other ones that are out there. Just subscribe to the show, Hands on Wellness. We have all of our subscription options on the website as well. We even have a YouTube channel. So just go to twit.tv/how. That's twit.tv/HOW for Hands on Wellness. Appreciate you all joining. Appreciate you all subscribing and helping to grow the Hands on Wellness community. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get started with this week's show. Previously on the show, I've talked about, we're not able to, or at least some of us are not able to go and work out at the gym like what we're used to do because of COVID-19. And there's a lot of areas that have restrictions, and some gyms are open and some gyms are closed or have limited availability as far as what you can do and what you can't do. Yeah, I'm in that camp. I can't even go to a gym around here. So that means I had to lean on different resources to get my exercising in here at the home or out in the yard or what have you. And I've talked about a couple of different items such as the TRX, suspension training, even as simple as using the home workout app that walks you through a bunch of different exercise routines, just strictly from looking at your mobile phone, gives you a little video and everything. All of those little tricks. Well, I'm going to step our game up just a touch with today's topic, and it is the product from the folks at ChopFit, and it's called the Chopper. Now, I got to give credit to my wonderful friend and colleague. It's cool that I can call her a friend, Miss Stacy Higginbotham from Stacy on IoT, and also on This Week in Google. She heard about this product and said, hey, can you check this product out and see if it's worth my time and worth a dang? And I said, sure, I'll look into it. And sure enough, I reached out to ChopFit and they set us up with a demo unit for me to try out and put it through its paces. And I'm going to say in a word, yes, this is a nice little product, and it's called the Chopper. Let me show it to you here on my little overhead cam. Why is it called a Chopper? Well, it's because it's an axe. Okay, no, it's not an axe. It just looks like an axe. This is metallic on the core, but it's rubberized and really, really durable to take a beating, similar to the rubberized weights that you would see in a weight room. And it's about 20 inches long or so. This one is all painted in red and black, and it weighs about 4 pounds. 4 pounds for an axe tool, if you will. But okay, so let's talk about this thing. 4 pounds. Think about kettlebells and what it feels like to hold a 4-pound kettlebell. It's not terribly heavy. And essentially this axe, this chopper is not terribly heavy, but depends on how you use this thing. If you hold this axe just, about halfway between the axe head and the tip of the handle, it's going to give you a different type of weight distribution versus holding it all the way down at the very end like so. It's because, of course, if I'm holding it at the end, the center of gravity is going to change and it's going to give me a lot more resistance. So that 4 pounds is going to feel really close to about maybe 12 to 15 pounds. So that's a big difference. And that's something that I find to be quite key and quite advantageous over a kettlebell for this type of equipment here. Now, when you get this device, you can you don't necessarily have to pair it up with your smartphone, but it does come with a mobile app that has what's called high intensity interval training workout plans on there. HIIT. Sounds like I'm stuttering when I say that, but it's high intense workouts, and it's just circuit based. So you do a couple different movements for X amount of seconds, and then you have it, say maybe 60 seconds worth of rest time, and then you kick it back up again. Very similar to what the CrossFit people do. It's just interval workout training, and it's going to help you get your heart rate up to help boost your cardiovascular system, as well as help you with toning your muscles, and you just continuing to burn some calories all at the same time. I love this. The app is actually pretty nice. It's pretty straightforward. You walk through it, and the videos on it just shows you how to do the movement. When you're using something like this, you tend to think all that you can do with an chopper is just do a chopping motion. Yeah, that helps, but you can do a chopping motion with your right arm, with your left arm. There's different ways to hold it. There's different ways to build resistance using this device. It's not all about a chopping motion. The key is being able to incorporate multiple muscle groups while you're doing this actual movement and doing some legit functional workout, because it's not always about just how much can you curl, because sitting here and doing bicep curls, that's fine and dandy, and boy, your arms will look good. I can tell you that firsthand. They will look good if you just do bicep curls, but that's not always functional. Doing the chopping motion or doing push and pull movements are things that are going to be functional from just day-to-day life. I've said this before. As we get older, we tend to get a little bit weaker, and there are times when people just fall down on the floor. And you've heard those commercials of, I've fallen and I can't get up. Well, why can't they get up off the floor? A lot of times it's just lack of functional muscle strength, where they just can't push themselves up off the floor. And something like this chopper is great for acknowledging the fact that, we're not all about just trying to do extensions and curls and things like that. We're trying to help you just get a better overall fitness. I really did enjoy playing around with this. It is definitely tough because, again, you're incorporating so many different muscle groups at the same time, which is going to really push your heart rate up and make your breathing go up. And you're really going to feel the burn as you're doing this. This was very, very nice. So yeah, in a word, Miss Stacey Higginbotham, yep, this thing is quite all right. Now, how do you get your hands on one of these for yourself? We'll have some links in our show notes and show description that it will take you to the website where you can find them for $119 for the chopper. That's this particular model here. That's the 4-pound model. That's $119 for one. But they also have a Chopper Pro, which is going to be a 7-pound device. It's not necessarily as light as this one is, and it's probably going to be a lot harder to use from a strength standpoint. So you're really going to get a workout. That one starts at $149 for a single pack, or you can get a 2-pack for $249. And each pack comes with an additional strap that you can put on the end of the handle and wrap around your wrist just for some extra security to keep yourself safe during your workout. All right. And I highly recommend this thing. Again, it's something that you can do right at the comfort of your home, or even if you're traveling, you can just throw it in the back of your car or what have you, and still be able to get a nice functional workout in. All right. Do you have any exercise routines that you're doing right now, or are you someone that's fortunate enough to actually get to the gym and work out this day and age? Let me know. Shoot me an email at how@twit.tv. I'd love to hear from you and hear what you got going on with your personal wellness, and share some of your tips and tricks and feedback with the show, as well as just let me know of certain product recommendations that you may have, and I can dig into it a little bit. All right. Either way, I'd love to hear from you, and I would love to share a virtual high five with you. All right, folks, make sure you're following me over on Twitter. I am Ant_Pruitt over there. I love to chit chat and talk with all of you over there on that platform. And make sure right now, at the time of recording this, we are in election season, and it's time to get on out there and vote here in the USA. This is very important, and I hope you have either already done your early voting or already done your mail-in voting, or you have gotten yourself squared away to go get in line and cast your vote on election day. Until then, folks, I appreciate all of the support. You all safely be well and do well, and I'm still looking for justice for Breonna Taylor. Y'all take care.
Hey, I'm Jason Howell, host of Hands on Android. Every week, I take a look at the Android operating system and the phone that you have in your hands to tell you how to use it better. Is it tips? Is it tricks? Is it little-known secrets, experiments, even emails from fans of the show? You name it, we talk about it on Hands on Android. You can subscribe by going to twit.tv/HOA and make sure that you do that so you don't miss a single episode. We'll see you there.